Hello everyone, welcome to the series lecture on basic electronic and sensors. In this series, I will be guiding you through the basic concepts of electronics. In this lecture, I start with PN junction, diode, how a junction is formed, what is its structure, what are its roles in electronics field. First, let us know about semiconductors. Semiconductors are of two types, P-type and N-type. Holes are the majority carriers in P-type, whereas electrons are the majority carriers in N-type. Electrons are the minority carriers in P-type and holes are the minority carriers in N-type. These semiconductors are formed by doping, nothing but adding impurities to the silicon and germanium materials. Now, when these P-type and N-type semiconductors brought together, a junction is formed which we called as a PN junction. Electrons are the majority carriers in N-type and electrons are the minority carriers in P-type. Holes are the majority carriers in P-type and holes are the minority carriers in N-type, which creates a concentration gradient in P side and N side. Because of this concentration gradient, the electrons from N-type to P-type they diffuse, and holes from P-type to N-type they diffuse through the junction. While they are moving through the junction, the electrons and holes recombine and they leave positive ion on N side and negative ion on P side. The ions are immovable. After recombinations, ions are created. The ions are immovable. This positive ion and negative ion develops electric field. As the recombinations are increasing at the junction, the electric field strengthens. This electric field creates a potential difference or nothing but a barrier is developing at the junction. And these ions are forming at the junction and this width is called a depletion region. This depletion region consists of only ions, positive ions and negative ions. Now, at one point, the further diffusion stops because of electric field strengthens. That electric field is high enough that stops the further diffusion. And because of charge carriers are now moving through the junction, the current in this PN diode is zero. The depletion region plays a major role in the PN diode. The depletion region allows current in one direction, which gives applications in switch, rectifier, clipper, clamper, and in signal demodulations. In the next lecture, you will learn about forward bias and reverse bias and their applications. Thank you for watching.